Welcome again, and this is part 4 of how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, what things to avoid, what could I do different if I start my YouTube channel today. And majority of YouTubers who are going to talk about YouTube, how to grow, they have already been in the game for quite some time. What is the best way to do that if we can do practical with you? So despite for me being, I don't know what I can call myself as a bigger YouTuber, I have over 80,000 subscribers and over 7.5, almost 8 million views already. I'm going to start a new YouTube channel and share with you, show every step and show you how I'm going to do to start a brand new YouTube channel and how I'm growing, what mistakes I'm avoiding, why everything I'm going to select now has in particular intention towards the growth of my YouTube channel. This is beyond about how to get 1,000 subscribers and how to get 4,000 watch hours. Is how to grow as become as a bigger YouTuber. So in this part 4, I'm going to share with you another important part. This is your attitude from day one when you start your YouTube channel. By attitude, I mean, are you going to take serious YouTube, or you are going to just take this is just a stupid time I'm wasting? How committed you are in this game? When I started my YouTube, I didn't expect anything, and I didn't know you can make a living based on YouTube. So you have been making videos, whatever, blah, 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 blah. That's all. So that's why I was wasting my time. From 2010, I post maybe 1, 2 videos in a year, 3 videos. So I came to wake up in October 2019. Oh, I had to be serious. So from October 2019, that's when I started posting videos, learning about to make thumbnail and a few other things. So from day one, when you're starting a brand new YouTube channel, you have to treat YouTube, even if you are doing on part-time basis, even if you are doing as a full-time from day one, you have to come with the mentality of being, this is a business and I'm going to treat it as a business, and I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a CEO, I'm a manager, whatever you want to call yourself from day one. Why? Because it will help to change your attitude from the preparation. So if you're taking serious, that means before you go to record any video, you have to prepare. Myself, I write on the notebook. Myself, I have a planner on my computer. What topics I'm going to talk about. I plan my things. I plan at least how many videos should I produce maybe in this month or this year. I'm going to learn about how do I go to create my thumbnail. How do I do this one? But all those kind of things come down to, do you perceive this is a serious business? So if you are going to start a business, no matter how small it is, you have to do a little bit of research. Research about the name, research about your audience, your customers, the location. So if you are doing all those kind of things in the business, why don't you do that when you are starting a YouTube channel? Because you come here, you think this is a hangout place. YouTube is not a hangout place. Even if you are going to do entertainment, you have to figure out, is this going something to be funny? Even Chris Rock, or you're going to see this other famous comedian, David Chappelle. You are talking about like comedian, like even like any comedian. They prepare some notes. What am I going to do when I go on the stage? How do you prepare yourself? Tell me. How do you prepare yourself? So from day one, you are founder and the CEO of the name of that organization. So that's why when I said you are going to select the name of the YouTube channel, select the name of your business. When I started my YouTube channel, this is EBM Scholars, I didn't start with the name concept as a business. It used to be Makulilo blog. Then I called Makulilo's YouTube channel. But how many people are able to pronounce the name Makulilo if I'm going to the world stage? How many people are going to remember the name Makulilo? So that's why I had to change. After learning, I changed and I called the EBM scholars. It is easier to say EBM. EBM is the abbreviation of my name, Ernest Boniface Makulilo. Because my channel is based on education scholars. So EBM Scholars has become a brand. So now I'm starting a YouTube channel. I'm going with the new name. So how did you search? Is there any name with fully funded scholarships? So it's a fully funded scholarship with EBM because EBM is already a brand. So this is a business where I'm going with it. Before I go to create, I had to find the name. I had to create the channel title. I have to create the picture. I'm not going to put any picture like over there and then I'm going to remove. I'm going everything with this. So from day one, before I launch, I'm prepared. I'm taking this serious. When I'm going, just like you are opening this store, your shop, and day one you are opening for customers to come, you don't have inventory. You don't have soap. You don't have everything you are selling. Who is coming tomorrow to come to your store? No one. But from day one, when I say welcome to my YouTube channel, I have inventory already. I have 15 videos, 20 videos already uploaded. That's I welcome you. So those are the things I want you to understand. From day one, start acting. Even if you are going to do one video in a week, I'll talk about how many videos you need to put, what is the schedule. But no matter what your schedule, no matter what your pattern is, whether it's one video per day, one video per week, one video per month, that video, remember, it has to be a perfect connection. Like this is a serious business. Don't go there. For instance, if you are using a phone to record a video, let me give you an example. Because majority of people are using a phone. This is your tripod. Let me show example. So if you are using the phone and let's say you are going to do like this way, let me give you an example. You are going to record like this way. These are not YouTube videos. They can be good into these what? TikTok, on Instagram, but if you post it, record it this way, the video on the sides will be black and the tiny one here. So you have to know you have to record it this way. So smaller things like those one will make a difference. The difference if you want to record a video and you hold this one, the video is not more professional, but just adding one thing like this way without holding changes. Just to have a small camera. Whether it's just like a small camera like lapel microphone, the one you put it there on the shirt, or other microphone. For instance, right now I'm talking to you. You don't see I'm wearing the microphone here because I have the microphone here. It's here. It's just down here. So I just put in front of me here. I don't want the one to come down here because I can move any other location. So I don't want whatever. So I just put in front of me on the same side like this one. And that's how I improve. So every single day you have to find what is the professional way to improve. If you look at my videos, like even 2 months ago, last month ago, the quality, the way I present, the way I talk, the length of the videos have changed. Because I'm taking this every single day even more serious. I believe this is a profession. You can be a YouTuber, just you can be an engineer. Just you can be just a person who is going to be any other profession. So if asked what is my final goal in my entire life, my dream life, is to be a full-time YouTuber. My dream is not to become a manager of a factory or to become a university professor. It's just to become YouTube full-time, get my full income. So I'm taking this as serious. So for you, even if you are not from day one, just like you're a soccer player, you have to start acting like a soccer player as a professional. You don't need to start eating French fries, chips, whatever, all those crazy things, eating a lot of fried food and just sleep many hours. You have to train. You have to condition your body to be physically fit and mentally fit so that you can be able to be competitive. That's why fewer players can be at the top for a longer time. Because it comes from the mental part, it comes from the physical part. So for you, you have to be able to sacrifice so many other things and be professional. No matter whether you are part-time, you can be part-time professional, you can be full-time professional. But from day one, you need to act as a professional so that you can be able to be successful on the YouTube. But if you think this is a game, you are playing around, you will not be successful at all.